It is of a Penyah Prophet Kofi Oduro reply Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu. Any obiara just obey a video be din attempt. Efa asemo can say one day be or send 300,000 Ghana cedis early in the morning be every mobile money to other mobile money. Emma Otua E-levy 30,000 cedis. That's not kind, you know. On say Afrifa, ebe Canadian children ebe expose no. Emma other TikTokers edge on here. Self for you na Kofi Oduro reply mu nyina. Na face no. Waka kire OSP say Ken Ofori Atta NSS wanted no. Eno no kwa na mum enipa be ka ho no bi biara bo ma no krono de. On chinimra na yenyi esika. Now, concerning ya baby, I said the boyfriend did copy a bone to Kuno. Prophet Atta NSS Ewa. I Penyah broke media. That's what I said. Obey like video, no other room. All subscribers to work like notification on latest updates. Now, better the watch and their mama ever comment section. That's what Baswa. No, I should be the one for any be ashes. It's okay ever since His Excellency the President Eddie Doom Solid Ebai, the Nanka Ghana for air train. Prophet Kofi Oduro Omra Bonton Ebeke Vise. Fake daughter and send by the Prophet and Kebby. Prophet, what I say. Prophet and Kebby, 80 way the idea could be a chance or make Kebby, and last week or buy. Or buy and say, okay, I nice. Now, we so His Excellency say a basi ye told him so let be ya. O more easy your officials no more, O man a beohan, if you say, O more airport manica, don't cry or kai, Aban E-levy was a bandana pencil, Aban E-levy go home, or sorry, I'll put 2 1 day be S&A 300,000 Ghana cedis every the phone so Emma will be. E-levy,
to Pentecost, I speak to Assemblies of God, I speak to Eastern region, Ashanti region, Pro-Hafu region, Eastern North, I speak to everywhere you don't want to speak to. I speak to Jubilee House. It's my assignment. Yeah! It's irresponsibility. And I'm a Kofa fuel levy. Abba. Somebody is responsibility until we are going to pay for fuel levy. Yeah. Now I am asking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, good morning. If we pay for that levy, will ECG's bosses still be at post? Since they are causing financial loss to the state, I'm asking, will they be opposed? The people that are causing us the mess, will they still remain in their position? Me, E-levy buy. Will be any church in E-levy chain. Because on behalf of the ministry, we paid E-levy. See, one day we paid E-levy early morning, 30,000 E-levy. We were transferring 300,000 Ghana cedis for cement from the factory. We paid E-levy 30,000 in the morning, one go. It means when we talk about that, we go into yeah, 30,000 one morning. E-levy.
What I say? 30,000. Emma Simo Kayano. Afrifa, I beg a Canadian children.
Who this? One no. And Julius never again. Okay, why are they? Yentieno. I said it through Saturday. Recruit for captain. And now they also need women for crowd. So for Penyah. And also I said it. It's what you put. Yeah, was a good for Black Stars. Was a good for Mechiao. Papa, my house, I will frame and I will be a method back way. Almost mean I may have come a so. I need you. Where you go be? Who raising me? Who raising?
Everybody. Will be any church in Motia E-levy chain.
Asama all cannot
On behalf of the ministry, we paid it. See, one day we paid E-levy early morning, 30,000. E-levy. We were transferring 300,000 Ghana cedis for cement from the factory. We paid E-levy 30,000 in the morning, one go.
How?
It means when we talk about that, when we go into the someone who want to have him from
under MPP government, the Ben Pan.
Danny, Madani, Jinawa. So for so, E-levy say, or transfer saying what you are saying. And what you are 30,000. No transfer say. And 3 million Ghana cedi no transfer. Because E-levy now 1%. And what transfer 300,000. It's one co school crown 300,000. Ne 1% 3,000 Ghana, which is 30 million. And I saw for say, would you 300 million, 30 million, 30,000 for 300,000 transfer. So for you no correct. Mommy nyatro. Bible no. Munya some the Bible bring for we no di atam. Mommy anka no kurebi. Papa ni nua pa. Ni nua, ni moja, ani Julius Debra. Mommy and Kano Kranian, you know, be our one try. Medical catch them some more interest. It's more interesting, and the Mamu vision. If it's a vision in a bar, depending on baby Ujina, and a man who's a vision, and we interest from so perspective about life. It is so for Oduro. Ninuani Julius Debra. It is an edge of Mama Ba. That's a Mama Kofa a year a full levy, D-levy aba. On person will be cabined, or be cleared up with E-levy. But they are all can suffer, and Yano correct. Wadama, or here, and Yano correct. You were never say when we are Julius Debra. Now, Julius Debra, we are the way you crown, worn out by a year, I will for some man. There's a woman, or bush and woman. After Munimanim, a catcher, and Aqua Yado, the catcher and who are warrior politics. Namibian friend, also Namibian carrying politics now. There is nothing wrong with your politics. If it's also your gun and Nimapa. Now, my mom for knows all your politics. Now, you are 30,000. And the uncle. Now, my mom, when you come and transfer that huge amount within a day, talk less of a dear so for the true. So for Contanya. No Contanya, you know, when you go there, Bonina would you go to Bonina. When you do the money here, Kobe, it's so for an intro. When you do this, some no walk on here. And when you see a watchery, by a watchery, so for a watchery. So for you, they say, my mom for you, who knew Julius Debra. It's the walk and beyond. Who were interested? If the Julius Wabe, hey, so for who caught you? What did he? Hey, where did he? Hey, now, hey, Governor Waka. When we are the chief of staff, or Calibeche, and tea, so for one for receipt, but you are 30,000. Then no crowd transfer 300,000. You enjoy 30,000, you enjoy 3,000. A 1%, 11 1%. It will chat from way, but actually, also where dear.
Emma on the internet today. In fact, I'm on for fire Kofi Oduro repliés Okatakyie nyame na acholo no nyame ne to krata ne kruwa na ye mabuso ni bonsia ni bonsia aye mabusi say ya ebuso eba so we can be kire ono a na ebusia ene ana prophet Kofi Oduro eba Sunday obe ya sorry no ya sorry na ene ne obeti si sa asem na oka ye na amanfo ebe born na serium e wo media ene wo kire me o no afumu a enya bone if say ye nya medwuma ya ye no e say yetimi obetimi kura koti betima kan say na bebe koti ase na free kura no say obi ni timi e kan Yesu hu ase o kan Yesu hu ase na o koti Genesis e di prophet say e normal
a school. Let me show you a school. This school is in Azerbaijan. It's a primary school in Azerbaijan. Primary school. Medin fan compare mo LA ne MA ne menfa. This school is a primary school in Seoul, Korea. South Korea. It's a primary school. Children goes to this primary school. Let me make a clarification. Last week, whilst I was preaching, I made mention of E-levy, and whilst I was making the calculation, I said that of 300,000, there was 1%. And I am clarifying, because I realize all news people have picked up. Kofi Oduro says he pays whatever on Sometimes you me go to scripture, and misquote. Sometimes you can say Hebrews and you can say, Proverbs for Hebrews. 10% of course is 3,000. Sorry, I no pay budget 3,000 free will be akatuya for bosomenua is a light thing. 3,000 definitely is not a light thing. If you pull money out of the bank, you pay to the phone, and if you push it to anywhere, you pay to that person also.
And what you say, at what the taxes, here, or maybe the taxes, and no, he is not against taxes.
Now, I was not even comparing taxes because nations are built on taxes. Abrochine no awo pa akɔde the tax na ye. Ye jiw bibi ne de aye bi. De me yi chire we na ye tax and ye de aye. Obi to we and agege ne akeka bom. But the me person me catch it out na me pon osumi ne say ye gigi tax na wo bi je na wo de koto abrochire the man girlfriend no dear. I have a problem with that particular system. What are you talking about? I don't care.
And yes, I told you name no sesika ba see be put in a good use. A hona ehiano. And I can say he said that every declare wanted him after say 1st June. Can Ofori Atta and show up. Or when lawyers ever catch OSP say 1st June or ever down, then they will be facing judgment. But 1st June do the no. I be uncle Kwanza 8 OSP as every declare wanted him. And when the prophet actually say, oh, OSP want declare wanted the air, then you don't want to probably be a hundred more. I was saying to me, the wanted and fugitive. No, Obi Biarabo Manu Conodia. One chase uncle Funya and what you more for Mugo and Cosel. Debbie, on your woman and Yisi Kanema yes,
if somebody takes taxes, and I'm not talking only about this government or the past government, anybody look at the embezzlement of monies we say people have embezzled and chopped. Yet you will be back and we are sitting here irresponsibly. Now I want to tell the OSP, the office of the special prosecutor, if you can declare the former finance minister as a fugitive on large, then and you are wanting to bring him for a year, then the former Maslock boss must also be declared a fugitive. Bring all of them here. We want to collect our money. Bring all of them here. We want to collect our money. And let me use this opportunity to tell Jubilee House, these people must not just go to jail. What is the sense of going to jail when these monies are sitting in offshore accounts? Let them pay. Let them pay. Let them pay the money. It's not going to. When we went to Amsterdam, Mama Comfort, we realized that a buying car now went to Mintia, a buying be paid you mama. Now at the tear free wakati. You got that prison, we will not do that. Let them pay. Bring all these pictures on board. Nanka sa hospital in nurses say wa ha na ye adwuma enkanyefe. Are beautiful people. Nanu adia kwetia nurse fueje. Look at people who have died. Bisasa ketiani is saying. One nurse does not take even 8,000 series. One nurse does not take 10,000. It will not work with job. And you mean some many nurses who need tema. Any abadaye. Akatia ketuana and some person mutia. Pay them. Let them go back to work. Pay them. Come on, somebody. Heaven, you haven't met the Kolibu experience. Sweetie, you have not met the experience. They know sometimes the treatment is not right. Yeah. And when that experience you were, me say, Joy FM presenter, for the sake of privacy, I won't. Ne papa dan say. help, help, help. And a papa knew. Go to that 37 right now. They will tell you, said there are no beds. Yeah, hallelujah. And you call that responsibility, and no preacher want to talk about this. I said, so for being in a juma, Mimi DNA. You can choose to think of anything. The what they call 37, but compared the way. Put a picture there. You can't say you walk of 37, I bet compared. And at 37 way. Don't waste our time. Bring 37. 37. Hey, Ghana. Uni and Swadi. We know the best in Ibio. Anka we is Simikuro Munkwetia. A Merewano Pe Hospital, Nankomoko. Nakuru kesi ma wenimi. And you know, baby, I lose Omukronum because they were too careless. The Pefia poto basa. One kasawa hunsi you have lost yourself. Ubi wigo yitua assemblies. I'm your pastor. I'm your pastor. Boys here today, hey, ubi ho yin the box a guha. Or no one can say box and nation no. Sradia one in hinimun na bitu.
Yeah. What do you want to say, sir? If also be any so, you can wait a go account. A go account abroad. You can do go account to me. Was here in Chichiumu and you will miss Canina, mere for concepts. Yanis Canina. Now, back here. Yeah, baby. Last week, you know, on that trend here, on a boyfriend, did copy TikToker, Kumasi, famous TikToker in Kumasi. It was a muko mamponi a year as an omuko PM ewo yeji. Ye devoted the care, a crabia say ewo ye devoted the care, but the care a ho, and then a did copy echo to a Kofi Antwater, a tuono, a tofa, one echo born, one to chobutu, yabibi, a man ewu. Now, this issue, no, Prophet Abefire on that.
And I'm saying, Ghana, I'm an anti-apuasem. Boys, I see your life. Young boy, I'm sorry, I've treated to, I will be back to to meet Fetu as a cocker and coffee to the bread. No master camera, so no more load of phone. Police in Ibia Waha named the 5 rules of a firearm or of a gun. Number 1 rule: point the weapon to a safe position. Number 1 rule: point the weapon to a safe position. In Tafekra now the magazine Bishimukranwa, you walk away, you do it. Irresponsible people sense. But Danny Tuno racking the gun, Sana pointed to the girl. Mistakenly, the firearm goes. Umamiti fear is soon at the opera woman. Uabo fracket to a new yin to say me wafazi, no nika, na fe was started so nante, no tojum, no corner which a picture is beautiful. When we say feel drew 4, 5, 4 corner, a one questions and it started, you know, what is this? God remember me and why, God no wafa and why, no bisa questions, and all that. No why nika will be drew best 20, a year 15, echo 20, no, now I done what down for. When any didn't come away ye. Sabre ni mwana sister ya we abidru abele follow abodi to a and the ya wa breye. The Bible said obone bechu waso Jeremiah 2:19 onsan ye chiri bechu anim hwe ne hunu se ja we je urade eni nyame huhu a wunninti o se saade ne so aba ya awerefo saade so abaya a cowboy see to me say atade e sha abaye utime hu no say ne maame ne papa wo ma ye biara but wo no person oponokora. I'm telling you, sometimes don't blame the parents too much. They have done what they know to do. Wo ban wan watia homa mo aponokora. Wana Nankano pe wote hana o masaso. When children come to church with their parents, when in the tehana muti bradiasem to get a cafe. Yapunokre. Bemanya one day to me 2 continent 7 months. That could me pro one when you no papa. What time of back now this son about ma when police case go jam and go minko jam and go police. Oh share papa. Are you a whore? I'm able to make Tanasia to 2 a.m. no train the banana my. Oh, friend, on the phone switch off. But switch off. At the bed chamber say 11 o'clock. Oh, no, apa. Mediani be anyhow. Me ma make us one for us men free me so me papa when you saw am. Yeah. But I said, they feel life is just a noir. That's an easy and a careless, loose, frivolous life. Yeah. And what you almost want my no more better now what they be. This any panane papa bumpo free mu na mami bumpo free mu na dani soon God or more brother. It was sha one more at 2 almost any nano na fade I was so baby any sura. To be tea is logo. Me say ma when nimri will be a telling you. Cast ni bebre or ma with the mereda. Telling you. But that came no ban. Emma when nimreda. Wouldn't nim near where yet. We wouldn't near woody and who I could drew. Wouldn't Nikro no one could drew. Near maybe or I wouldn't mean yet. One more china with the Omo Yahweh and Besha. I'm telling you. Why yen wa kuku do you bet me nyankrofo amoma ye pobre fi owi anu abagina ho oni nim nyanse na ba be kasa kire ye do work hard. This is hard work. How hard are you working? Oh, how hard are you working? Yeah, work hard. The draw some more hard work no ye. Yeah. Obi akokura wo no te ne baby and campaign say would you need do baby and na wo ne onyamentem ye fan ya free say nche na wo beko edu ni nyamentem ye fan age bi wo hanka wo nyini na ne ma bi wo a e free wo. Yeah. But Ghana the asset ye nyini no na emre ntu asem. Ti ye nyini na afi ne adwaman ba nya hanko America. It's me afraid, hi, sweetheart, I'm looking for somebody who will excite me. That they will not only excite you, yeah. It will $3 million, you know, what they are here, a year nice, you know, they are going to come after it.
Tell your mommy, comment section. Hi, Penyah block me.